If I leave home at a certain time and walk to the station at 4 miles per hour, I shall be 2 minutes late for my train. If I walk at 4.5 miles per hour, I will have 8 minutes to spare. Find the distance I have to walk. Let's assume that I have to reach the station at 12. So if I walk at 4 miles per hour, then I'll reach the station 2 minutes late. That means I'll reach at 12:02. If I walk at 4.5 miles per hour, I'll have 8 minutes to spare. That means I'll reach 8 minutes early. That is, I'll reach at 11:52. If we subtract these two times, we will get 10 minutes. Now we will have a simple equation here. The time required to travel at 4 miles per hour minus the time required to travel at 4.5 miles per hour is equal to 10 minutes. We can convert this 10 minutes to hours as well. Now the general formula for time is distance upon speed. Distance we don't know, we know the speeds. We'll have the equation as distance upon 4 minus distance upon 4.5 is equal to 10 upon 60 hours. So 0 gets cancelled. Now if we cross multiply, this becomes 4.5d minus 4d upon 4 into 4.5 is equal to 1 by 6. Now 4.5d minus 4d, that is 0.5d, is equal to 4 into 4.5, that is 18, 18 upon 6. So 6 3s are 18. Now 0.5d is equal to 3, therefore d comes out as 6 miles. So that's the distance I have to walk. That's our answer.